Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, hit that like if you found this video useful, and subscribe if you don't mind. And in this video today, I'm gonna be doing the the wired setup of the Sigma Sport BC 1100 right there. Now, before I go any further, I'm gonna link in description the video for the Cateye STRADA. It's down in the description. This is the Cateye Vintage. And I also have this, the setup for the Cateye STRADA, the white one, the wireless one. So you have Sigma now here, and you have a Cateye Vintage and Cateye STRADA in the description if you guys want to get them done. If you want to have a look, and if you have a problems doing this setup, have a look at those videos, and hopefully you'll find them useful. Now, in the meantime, let's get into this thing here and show you what I'm talking about here. So this computer here over here wasn't working. And I will tell you later on in the video exactly when I get to it what was the problem. So the first thing that you want to set up this thing up here, you have this the mount. The mount will sit vertically over here, horizontally right there, and it's being held by these two strings. You see, hopefully that thing will focus what I'm talking about there. This is what's gonna hold your mount. And then basically once you have this set up, there won't be any wires in there. Like this one just uses the straps that you have them here, like a little and then what I will do right now, once you have that secured, let's put the unit back in there. See, I'll let it click. Once you have that thing clicked, you're good to go. That means you have properly secured over there, and you have made a contact with the wiring. Now, this is the second part that you're gonna really keep an eye. It's pretty much just like Cateye STRADA. I've put the wiring right here around this cable housing. I don't want the wires to rub against the frame. You see how nice the frame on this bike is? So what I decided to do, I decided to put these wires around the cable housing and then secure it all the way over here, which is the sensor. Now, this is the most important part, and you wanna pay attention to this, because this is what's gonna make or break this setup over here. So if you look over here, I hope this valve is not in my way. You have the sensor properly here mounted with these straps onto the fork, on this side of the fork. And guess what's happening here? That's the sensor. This is the magnet in the middle right here. What a lot of people end up doing, they put a lot of gap between the sensor and the magnet. That's a big problem there. Now I'm gonna try to go over here from this side. Let me show you what I'm talking about. There should be, looks like this side is focusing a little better. There should be approximately about 1 millimeter over here. I hope that thing is focusing nicely. If you see, they're almost touching, but they're not. So what you want to do, you want to have a 1 millimeter between the sensor and the magnetic part over here that I'm touching right now. And this is what's gonna assure that you have the contact between them two. So having said that, let's have a look. I'm gonna spin the wheel and let's see if this thing is gonna work. So this is your computer over here. I have everything set up properly. I'm gonna just hold it, and I'm just curious to know if the numbers are gonna spin. Okay, let's spin this thing. So I should be able to go to 5. Yep, see, number 2, that thing works. So I'm going to just spin the wheel a little faster. Maybe I can get it up to 5. So let's see over here, see? 4, beautiful. Very, very nice. So this will be pretty much self-explanatory, that if you have done all these steps properly, you should be able to get this working just like I've done it over here. And just before I wrap this video over here, I'm going to show you what I have over here. So I've got the timer. Let's get this guy to focus. I've got the average speed. Now I've got the ST, I believe this is the timer, maximum speed, and then back on the trip. So this will be pretty much how you get this thing done. By the way, this is the older BC 1100, but what I will do for you guys, I'm gonna include a newer version, or Amazon, where you can purchase one, and I get tiny bit of commission on it if you guys purchase the brand new unit of Amazon. And if you need one, I will put down the description, as well as the other links for the Cateye units that you can look and find them useful. And that's pretty much that. Hope you find it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.